Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The NSHM School of Media and Communication, Kolkata, had organized the annual Y-Comm Festival on the 16th of August 2022 at the Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong. The chief guest on the occasion was the Minister of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, Sanbor Shullai. Others present included those from the NSHM campus, Kolkata, the President of the Shillong Press Club, David O. Laitphlang, students of schools from Shillong and others. Addressing the gathering, Sanbor Shullai expressed his gratitude to the NSHM for its readiness to address and support the cause of the youth, especially those belonging to the weaker sections of society. While speaking about education for the youth, Sanbor Shullai said that it is a life process where teachers consume themselves to brighten the lives of others.
The students, especially those who hear from the poor family, economically weaker section of our society. I think that is the aim of the objection of the NSHM. What I would like to share here is that it is purely about education. As a student, I remember that the very important role of the parents, of our parents, and especially the teachers. The teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the role of the teacher. Right? The teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. And let me share something with our young friends, our students, our here, the audience. The role of a student about education. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. So I congratulate the organizers, right from the president, secretary, and all the office bearers of the organization, of this institution,